Hi, my name's David. Today we're going to do a CSS tutorial on freeCodeCamp. Use a custom CSS variable. We learned that in order to create a variable, we follow the syntax where we create the name of it and then the value. And now, how do you reference this to the rest of the CSS? And we just follow the syntax to describe this variable, what we're going to change in it. So this will say the background, we're going to change it to this whatever value we set to this variable. So to change this for this exercise, we want to apply the -- penguin screen variable to the background property of the penguin top, penguin bottom, right hand, and left hand. So first we look at each one of them. So let's say the first one, penguin top, and we want to change the background to this variable, which is gray, and to this variable, which has a value of gray. So this is going to change the top here to gray. And all we have to do is get the background. We just use the syntax on it, and we just replace this like that. Let me paste the semicolon, and there we go. And let me include it in the next one. So then that does the penguin top, and now the penguin bottom. We change the background here and paste it, and there we go. And we just do it for the right hand and left hand. And that's it. Thank you.